What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Thank you for watching. For you guys that don't know me, my name is Mike Reilley, and today I'm gonna bring you guys through the Polar Bear Plunge with me. And the Polar Bear Plunge, for anyone who doesn't know what it is, it's a fundraiser for the Special Olympics. So all donations and all proceeds go towards the Special Olympics. We go to the beach, we're going to Seaside, and basically from there, we're jumping in the ocean. Right now, it is 28 degrees in Seaside, so we're jumping, I don't know if you guys can see that, 28 degrees. So it's gonna be chilly, but we're doing it for a good cause, so that's all that matters. I've done the Polar Bear Plunge for the past 6 years, so this is just kind of a tradition, and we're gonna have some fun with it. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and I'll see you guys there. What's going on? So we're back pre-game, haven't left the house yet, but we got another plunger with us, and you know, we gotta pre-game a little bit with it. So
Plunge
Mike,
22, baby.
Plunge, he always does it, always with us. So we're gonna do a little cheers to this one.
Cheers.
Maybe you're not different. Maybe you're not different. Maybe you're not different. Maybe you're not different.
What's up, guys? So we're in Spicy's right now. We're doing our first rum bucket of the day. Rum buckets are a must here, so we had to do it. I'll give you guys a little show around here real quick. This is all pre-plunge right now, so we have about 2.5 hours before. So naturally, if we're going in that cold water, we have to have our rum buckets. And so Mike and I,
Cheers.
over here.
Rum bucket.
Cheers. What's going on, guys? So welcome back. Right now we're walking to another bar real quick. We're meeting Mike's mom, so we're gonna have a drink with Petra.
Drink with Petra.
So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of that, and then I think you guys might do the plunge. I don't know if you guys can see me this well. I think I'm silhouette. I'm gonna walk backwards for a second. We're having a good time so far, dancing, having fun. So I'll see you guys at the bar. All right, guys, so we're in a different bar now. I saw you guys walking us over here. We're in Hooks right now. It's pretty popping. Also, we got everybody over here. We got a little bit of everything. We're drinking. We're having a good ass time. And guess what? You guys saw Mike before. We got the mob, Petra. So we're doing a drink over here. We're cheersing. So cheers to this Polar Bear Plunge 2022. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's get it. Guys, so naturally, to prepare ourselves for the Polar Bear Plunge, this water is like 39 degrees now, so we need to get ready for it. Petra's ready for this shot over here, so we're doing a shot right now. So cheers to the Polar Bear Plunge.
Yay!
Let's get it.
Team Cool Nuts. Woo!
Team Cool Nuts, let's go. All right, guys, so we left Hooks. We're done hanging out with Petra, LaMonica's mom, but we're going to one of our friends' house really quick. You know, I feel like it's only natural that we have to bar hop on these days, just because, I mean, that's what we're doing. We're here. All right, so we're at the house right now. We're just kind of hanging out. There's a couple of us over here. We know we got hella heads over there, but we're just drinking in the corner, and we're about to have a good time. So we're gonna cheers to this Polar Bear Plunge. Let's get it, baby. All right, it's Polar Bear Plunge time. We're fucking doing it. It's fucking cold as shit. Everybody else is fucking getting there. We're doing this right now. So I'm not really ready for it, but I guess
No one's ready for it.
I guess we're just gonna fucking do what we gotta do, right? All right, we're about to jump in. I literally cannot feel my feet right now just because it's that cold out on the ground, on the sand. It's fucking freezing. So, all right, you guys are gonna see the full reaction of all this, and the only thing I can say is I hope you're ready because I'm not. But all right, this is what we're about to get ourselves into. Look at all these fucking people. Look at all of them.
Here we go.
I'm doing this for you. All right, we're going. 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Woo! Holy shit! Woo! It's fucking cold. Holy shit!
Oh my god!
What'd you think?
Oh my god!
Holy shit! We're fucking freezing right now. Oh my god. It's just cold as shit.
Oh, yeah.
You did good? Come on, let's do it, baby. Awesome. What's going on, guys? We just finished the fucking plunge. We're freezing right now. Obviously, we're inside. We're done with it, but we had a crazy time. It was freezing. Mike, what do you think about it?
Freezing,
it was
awesome.
cold, but it was good. It was worth it, right?
Really, tradition is what we gotta do.
Always a tradition. Always worth it. We gotta do it. So. You know, we're having a fun time. So as you can see behind me, everyone's partying. She's partying also. Let's get it. What's going on, guys? So I just wanted to let you guys know one of my friends, another one, came here, and guess what? He's drinking also. We got Sal in the groove. Let's go, baby. So we got Sal.
Yeah, we're out here in Seaside. You know the fucking vibe. You know we're getting fucked up. You know we're gonna have a good time. Cheers, baby.
Hey, cheers, baby. You know the vibe. So let's do this. Let's get it. Polar plunge day. This is actually Sal's first polar plunge. He's experiencing it. It's a very different vibe from everything else.
You gotta get here. You gotta get here.
Hey, I'm not saying that he is, but cheers to that. So cheers, baby. Let's do it.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the leaves. Oh, getting caught in the mist is a minute they never get out of. They're feeding the fears in the dark.
What's going on, guys? So it's a couple days later. I'm editing the video and I kind of realized that I didn't do an outro, so I wanted to come on here and kind of give you something for a little outro and say thank you for watching. As I was editing this, I realized that I was cursing a little bit, so in the next couple videos, or next videos in general, I'm going to try to curse a lot less, or not at all, and I'm gonna need you guys to be there and hold me accountable for that. So to do so, you guys should like this video, subscribe, and share with all your friends so everybody could hold me accountable. And stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna be posting that relatively soon. So until then, like, subscribe, share with your family, share with your friends, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again soon. Peace.